Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar just kept on pushing down today. I was actually thinking this was going to be a wave B, and it was possibly going to go up before it went down. Now, wave Bs can go down to previous lows in a downtrend. It still could end up popping up, and this still could be like an ABC correction to the downtrend. The only reason I would kind of be a little apprehensive about that is because on the higher time frames, I think we are in a downtrend that is likely going to kill down. If I go up real quick to the 4 hour time frame, I think we're going down to at least one of these lower Fibonacci levels for a wave C. So I think we're in a pretty strong downtrend. That's why I'm not really too interested in the long scenarios. I mean, yes, it may bounce. This is obviously an area of support. Definitely could get a bounce, but it could just be a little bounce. It could just, make lower lows, lower highs. So I am definitely still recommending shorts in a downtrend. Even if it does decide to go up like this, it's probably just going to be a wave C within an ABC correction. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.